This video will run you through how to set up the JigSpace Remote App so you can easily demo your jigs on Apple Vision Pro. To run a guided JigSpace presentation on Apple Vision Pro, you'll need just a few things: an Apple Vision Pro with the most recent JigSpace app installed, an iPhone or iPad with the Jig Remote App installed, a stable Wi-Fi connection with both devices on the same network, Bluetooth switched on for both devices, and your JigSpace account login details. Once you have these, you're ready to start. First, open the JigSpace app on Apple Vision Pro and log into your account. Next, open the Jig Remote app on your iPad or iPhone. You'll see a list of available Vision Pro devices. Select yours from the list. A pairing code will appear on Vision Pro. Enter this code into the Remote app. Once paired, you now have full control of the Vision Pro session directly from your iPad or iPhone. Prior to handing over the device to a customer, and for the best experience, we recommend using iPad Split View. To set this up, launch screen mirroring on Vision Pro before handing it to your guest. Then, on your iPad, tap the three dots at the top of the screen and select Split View. Open the Remote app and place both views side by side for full visibility and control. When you're ready to hand over the Apple Vision Pro to a customer, a lead, an employee, or anyone else you wish to demo JigSpace to, you have two options. Firstly, you can launch up guest mode, which will take your customer through hand and eye setup, or you can simply take off the device and hand it over without guest mode. If you wish to skip guest mode, please ensure that Optic ID and passcode are disabled in the Apple Vision Pro settings, and do be aware that the viewer will have less control over the experience as their hand and eyes are not completely calibrated. Once the viewer has the device on, you can navigate between menus and jigs on the Remote app. To begin a presentation, simply select a jig from your library. The guest wearing the Vision Pro will be prompted to place the jig in their environment, and once they've positioned it, you can control the experience. With the Remote app, you can tap through steps in your jig to guide the presentation, rotate or zoom the model, mute or unmute audio, reposition the jig in the space, or enable advanced settings. The Jig Remote app ensures your Vision Pro demos are smooth, premium, and easy. Whether you're presenting at a trade show, guiding a customer through a complex product, or delivering training remotely. With the Jig Remote app, you're always in control.